The Infinity from Marvin showroom is really impressive. What I liked is that when we were making our decisions, we could walk from spot to spot and see the frame color. We looked at doors, we could see different style of doors and what they looked like, and you can touch and feel, and you could open windows and close them. To be able to come into this beautiful showroom to see products placed as if it were be done in your home.
The Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows are beautiful, not big and bulky like vinyl composite windows. Well, I have this big, beautiful view in my backyard, and the windows that I looked out of had these big frames and were bulky, and the window quality wasn't that great. But when we had the Infinity from Marvin windows installed, it was a huge difference right off the bat. They were narrower frames, much bigger views. The quality of the window was amazing. The clarity, amazing. Our stress-free experience included a quick, accurate proposal without any pressure or pricing games. It's absolutely window and door shopping made simple. Look at this showroom. It's absolutely amazing. You can come in, take a look at everything that's going to go in your house, the way it's going to look, and know exactly what you're getting.
It was a one-stop shop for us. We were able to do all of the Marvin Infinity windows here. You talk about the front door. We were just able to do it all in one place and literally bring it all together to where it looks like it's all one package, but it was, multiple components that had to come together to make it work.
The showroom is wonderful. It's just a great place to have our clients here to see everything that we offer them for their home. So it's, hey, let's grab your windows over here. Boom, we got those figured out. Let's go take a look at your door. Okay, got that figured out. And all of a sudden in their head, this long journey of looking for windows and doors and planning it out for their home is starting to come together. And it happens right here in our brand new showroom.